everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are a data type with key value pairs, and they're unordered, they're changeable, and they also can be indexed. So below is an example of a dictionary, and you can recognize them by the curly cues they use around the key value pairs. So the first entry, the key is color, followed by a colon, followed by the value, which is red. You can access values in the dictionary by using the get method. So on line 3, I access the value apple by calling .getName. You can change the values in a dictionary by, calling the name of your dictionary and then in brackets the key that you want to change and then equal it to the value that you want to update it to. You can remove elements in a dictionary by using the pop method and passing in the key that you want to pop. So this would pop the amount 3 key value pair.